Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful TMR espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we clean completely the group head, backflush the machine, replace the gasket of it. This one you see right here, and this one basically was just crumbling, as you can just see right here. So yeah, it definitely needed to be replaced. Replace it with the same one. We had to put a little spacer on it as well in order to get this portafilter to reach 90 degrees. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. So extraction coming out of the machine. We do not see any leaks coming out of the portafilter, the group head, or anywhere else. Nice crema as well. We're using our test coffee. We're gonna stop it right here. Good shot of espresso. Looking great. Now we're gonna be testing the hot water. As you can see, good amount of hot water, looks great. And we're gonna test the steamer function of this machine. Voy a needs a little bit of pressure. And now as you can see, the machine is steaming properly fine. The pressure working great. So there you have it, TMR working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.